An Oklahoma couple is now rallying around their best friend who was in the direct path of the Sulphur tornado.
Elaine Gullowies and her roommate Barbara McFarlane were heading to their safe place when they were caught in the storm. A steel beam then fell on Elaine's foot, crushing it. Her foot had to be amputated. She also has 2 broken legs.
Her roommate Barbara suffered bruises and scratches. Elaine's friend sent us this video of Elaine in the hospital.
It's a nightmare, for sure, but a tornado just showed up in my front door, and I was not expecting, and there it was. And I was trying to make a split-second dash to go back to my house, but it sucked me back down on the ground, threw me on the floor.
Elaine's recovery is going to be a long process. She is in good spirits, though. We do have a link to the GoFundMe to help Elaine and her roommate on our website, KFOR.com.